Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thanks so much for dropping in on this video. I wanted to share something with you guys. As you can see here, this stack of items, beautiful stack of items, we're going to go through it. It really comes from Lorie at Enchanted Dreams 71. It is not a Happy Mail, technically. She had posted something on her Instagram a little while back, and basically it was like a quick little contest. You know, the first person to respond, I'm going to send you a package. And so I just emailed her and I said, I'm probably too late, but I wanted to just at least send you a note to say hello. Well, Lorie was so kind that she said, it's okay, send me your address. I want to send you a little something anyway. Isn't that lovely, y'all? I'm telling you, this junk journaling community is full of so many special people, and Lorie is definitely top of the list. Let me pan out a little bit so we can kind of go through this. I want to get you guys close enough, but that is, and I'll have Lorie's channel linked. Please go subscribe to her channel. You want to talk about somebody who's knowledgeable? That is Lorie, and she has her own booth now in a little antique mall where she's from in that area. And she posts pictures of that booth. As far as her craft room, oh my, you want to talk about a dream. It's so gorgeous. Y'all go look at those videos. If I can find a video of her craft space, I will link that video because that is definitely worth a look-see. It is so beautiful. This is a very heavy duty, it's a very heavyweight envelope. I love that. Thank you, Lorie. Now look at this delicious paper. Aren't these lovely? Look at this one. That is such a unique color, and I love this one because the glitter does not come off. Thank you, Lorie. Oh, here's another. Oh, look. That is so fresh. This is going to make the perfect yo-yo. In fact, I'm trying to get my act together so I can put a couple of Christmas kits together. I'm going to put that in with my Christmas kit, Lorie. Thank you. These two. Look how beautiful he is. Oh, these are awesome, Lorie. Thank you. Now look at this deliciousness. These are vintage. Look how beautiful these cards are. Look at these. Aren't these fantastic? Oh, those are lovely. And look at this one. You know what this would make a good cover for? Like to cinch this as a little notebook. I think that would be fantastic because you could back this with like a cardstock, a heavy cardstock, and just have this as the front of your cup. I might do that. I sure might do that. Now this is incredible. I don't have anything like this, Lorie. I have absolutely nothing like this. Look, and it's a wedding. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. That is so cool. Lorie, thank you. This is a first in my collection of items. Thank you. And then Des Moines, New Mexico. I love all these. I love them. Did you do that? Look how cool. Look, the card catalog, y'all. Don't y'all remember the, I swear I remember these. Love the library. This is awesome. I don't have any like this, like with the square around the number. Joseph, oh dear Joseph mine, infant so gentle. Oh. This is awesome. Thank you, Lorie. I'm going to be able to use that up. Thank you. We may forget him, but God will never forget us. Thank you, Lord, huh? Look at all the Christmas ephemera. Look at these bags. That is a perfect size. Oh, wow, Lorie, those are fantastic. Girl, look how many you sent. Thank you. Oh, this one. Oh my gosh. I have a journal. This one can go in right now. I have a big journal. These are awesome. Lorie, you are so awesome for doing this, really and truly. Like I said, she had a little contest. I'll link her Instagram. Go follow her on Instagram too. She posts every day over there. Anyway, what I was saying is, go check Lorie's Instagram out. I'm going to have that link. I'm going to have her YouTube channel linked, and I'll try to find a video where it shows her actual craft space. You guys, it's really beautiful, and her booth that she has set up it's just gorgeous. She has such great taste. Anywho, guys, I am so blessed to have to be a part of this junk journaling community. And thank you so much, Lorie, again, for these lovely treasures. Remember what I always say, guys. I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had sharing all these goodies with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.